Here's this first question with exponents. On this left side, I cannot distribute that negative 4. If I put this negative 4 inside this parenthesis to do operations with it, I'd have to raise it to the 3/2 power. So before I do anything with this exponent, I have to get that, whatever's in that parentheses to the 3/2 power, I have to get it by itself on the left side. So first I'm going to add 7 to both sides. Negative 4 times negative 21 minus 2k to the 3/2 equals negative 507 plus 7 is negative 500. Now I'm going to divide both sides by negative 4. So I get negative 21 minus 2k to the 3/2 power equals negative 500 divided by negative 4 equals 125. Negative divided by negative is a positive. Now I can raise both sides to the 2/3 power. So I can get rid of that exponent. And then this is negative 21 minus 2k, because 3/2 to the 2/3 power, multiply those exponents, and it's just 1. 3/2 times 2/3 is 6 over 6 is 1. And now equals 125 to the 2/3 power. Well, 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 is 125. So the cube root of 125 is 5, and 5 squared is 25. Now I will add 21 to both sides. Negative 2k equals 25 plus 21 is 46. And then I divide both sides by negative 2k equals 46 divided by negative 2 equals negative 23. So there's the answer, negative 23. So remember, before I can raise both sides to the reciprocal of that power, so I could get rid of that power, I have to get whatever's raised to that power by itself. I don't distribute or do anything else on the left side until I get something to a power by itself on the left side, so I can just handle that exponent on its own. So let's see, here's number 8. Same thing here. Before I can do anything with this, I have to get rid of the negative 2 and the 6. So first I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides. Negative 2 times 2a minus 19 raised to the 2/3 power equals negative 12 minus 6 is negative 18. I divide both sides by negative 2. And that gives 2a minus 19 to the 2/3 equals negative 18 divided by negative 2 is 9. Now I've got that isolated. The thing to the power is just by itself. So now I'm going to raise both sides to the 3/2 power. And it's 2a minus 19, because 2/3 raised to the 3/2 is 2/3 times 3/2 is 6 over 6 is 1, equals 9 to the 3/2. Well, the square root of 9 is 3. 3 raised to the 3rd power is 27. I'm going to add 19 to both sides. 2a equals 27 plus 19, 46. Oh, it's the same thing again. And then a equals 23. Well, that one, instead of negative 23, equals 23. So there's that one. So again, I have to isolate whatever it is raised to the power before I do anything with that power. So in this case, I'm going to divide both sides by negative 5. Negative 1080 divided by negative 5 216 equals 6 minus 2n. Hold on, is that an n or an m? M to the 3/2. So now I've isolated, so now I can raise both sides to the power. Three halves times 2/3 is 1. So this is 6 minus 2m equals the cube root of 216, I believe, is 6. 6 times 6 is 36, and 6 times 36, 36. Yep, 216. And then 6 squared is 36. So I did the cube root of 216 and then squared the result, equals 6 minus 2m. Then I will subtract 6 from both sides. 30 equals negative 2m. Then I divide both sides by negative 2. And I get m equals 30 divided by negative 2 is negative 15. So remember, step 1, isolate whatever's raised to the power. Do whatever algebraic manipulations have to happen so that whatever's raised to the power is isolated by itself on one side of the equation. Then you can go ahead and raise both sides to whatever exponent is necessary to turn that original exponent into just 1.